Are you tired of seeing the annoying network connection failed, reconnecting error while playing Mobile Legend on your iPhone? Don't worry. In this video, I am going to show you simple and effective fixes that actually work. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Tech Wash. First thing first, make sure your internet is stable. Open a browser to your choice. Type internet speed test. Wait for a moment to test your internet speed. If your internet is weak, then swipe down from top. Turn aeroplane mode on for 10 to 20 seconds. Then turn it off. You can switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. If you are using a VPN, turn it off. Now, go to settings. Tap Wi-Fi. Tap your connected network. Tap configure DNS. Tap manual. Add 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4. This can improve connection stability instantly. iPhones don't have a direct cache clear option, so open settings. Tap general. Tap iPhone storage. Tap Mobile Legend. Tap Upload app. Tap Upload. And tap Reinstall it. And now restart your iPhone. And that's it. These fixes should solve your network connection failed issue on iPhone. See you in the next one. And good luck on the battlefield. Thanks for watching. Support us, be with us.